It's World Cup season and World Cup videos have been racking up millions of views online. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own World Cup style animations like this one. And I'll also show you how to put yourself right in the midst of the action. And I'll show you how to do all of this for free. All right, let's start by creating a simple image of yourself in the World Cup. To do this, you just need three things: an image of yourself, any regular picture, you need a good prompt, and ChatGPT, and you can do this using the free ChatGPT account. Let's start with the prompt. To make things easy, I've created a website where I've placed all the prompts that you're gonna need for this on that website. So the website is called Place Me in the World Cup. I'm gonna put a link down to the website in the description and in the very first comment. So I'm gonna go right here to image prompt, and I've created a few styles here that you can choose. So let's say I wanna place myself taking a selfie right in the stadium in the World Cup. I'm gonna choose this as my style. So I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom and it's gonna ask, what country's kit do you wanna be wearing? So what jersey do you wanna be wearing? Let's say we wanna do the big number 7. So we're gonna put Portugal, and I want the jersey to have jersey number 7. So I'm gonna put that right there. And then it's gonna ask you, do you want your name on the jersey? So you can put whatever name it is that you want on the jersey right here. So if I wanted a crown, I'm gonna put crown. But in my case, I'm gonna just take out the name of the jersey, and then I'm simply gonna generate prompt. So when you look at it, it's gonna generate for you the prompt that you need to generate this image. You can edit this prompt if you do not like it or you want to change some aesthetics of it. But we're just gonna go ahead and copy this prompt. So the next step is we're gonna head over to ChatGPT. All right, so I'm right here on chatgpt.com, and you can do this even with a free ChatGPT account. You don't need a paid account for this. So I'm gonna come right here to the little plus icon and add my image. You can also do this on the ChatGPT mobile app. So I'll select my image right here, and then I'm simply just gonna paste the prompts that we have generated and just click send. And that's it, it's all done. So you can see right here, I'm right there in the stadium with the audience, easy to do. And here is the outcome using some of the other prompts with my image on it. That's what it looks like. So go ahead and try this for yourself. It's very simple to do. Before we continue, if you enjoyed this video in any way, please give it a like. It helps the channel greatly, and subscribe by hitting the subscribe button for more content like this. All right, number 2, if you do not want just a still image, but you want a video of this, let me show you how you can animate this to bring yourself to life inside the World Cup. But first things first, we need a good prompt. And again, if you go back to the website that I created for this, I have put all the video prompts. So just go under here, under the video section. So right here, you have the different video prompt. And again, like the images, I have 6 of my favorite examples that you can use here. And you could do like an interview style, fan celebration, you playing in the field, and a couple of those. So whichever one you like, you can just choose that prompt. So for example, I'm going to choose right here, this one for a post-match interview. And then the same like, you can choose whatever country you want. This time around, let's go with France. And we will do a different number 7 this time around, Dembele, who scored a hat trick the other day. Beautiful. So again, in the same light, you can put your name in the jersey if you want and just simply hit generate prompt. And then it's going to give you this long Seedance optimized prompt for something like this. If you want to change the dialogue in the conversation, you can just change it here. So right here, you can see the questions that the reporters are asking is right here. The response that you would give is right here, and everything is all right here. So you can change that. And once you're happy with that, just copy it. Now we have our prompt. We need to animate it and bring it to life. There are several ways you can do this. You can copy this prompt and put in any of your favorite video models, but the one that gives you the best of results is Seedance. And there's really no site that gives you Seedance for free per se. That allows you to upload human images. So we're going to be using a paid site for this. I'll show you another way you can still animate the videos for free after this. But for this, we're going to use Elevenabs Creative Studio. So I'm right here on Elevenabs Creatives. You just want to click right here on image and videos. And then under that, you want to make sure you select the video option right here. As you can see, they have different models that you can use. One thing to point out that is that if you are in the US, you're going to see that Seedance is not available in the US. You would need some kind of VPN to access that. Just Google free VPNs and you can get a free VPN to use. If you want to save on credit, use Seedance Mini or Fast. I would not necessarily recommend Seedance 2.0 because it's going to take a lot of your credit. As you can see there, 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000. So we can start with a Mini here. And then you want to just change your dimensions to 9:16. If you're sharing this on social media. And we're gonna do an image reference. So I'm gonna just click right here on image, select my image. And then if you want the player to sound like you when he actually speaks in the speech, you can just put audio reference, select that, and then I'm going to select an audio of myself. So, and then if you have one of the prompts where there's dialogue, like the reporter doing an interview, you want to give about 8 seconds for the entire dialogue to complete. The other ones, you can simply just do up to 4 seconds. That is fine. And then we're just going to go ahead and paste the prompt, the one that I copied. And then once you have that all set, you simply just want to hit submit right here.
What was the secret to your success?
We worked hard, we played hard, and we scored hard. And that is the final video. You see, amazing, quite easy to do. But now if you don't have access to Seedance and you still want to just animate this with any other video model, I would advise to do an image to video workflow. And the best way you could do this, if you go back to the website where we have the image prompt and you already generated one of these images, if you scroll down to the bottom, I have this button here that says copy simple video prompt. So just click on that. That would give you a much simpler video prompt that most models could animate a little bit. So in this case, we're going to use Grok because they have a free plan that you can use for this. So let's head over to grok.com. That is Grok. And if you already have an paid account, I think you have access to some of these for free. And if you don't, they give you a 3-day trial that you can use. So if you go to Grok Imagine and then you go right here to your account, you have an upgrade plan. They allow you right here for 7 days. You can try Grok Unlimited. And then once you claim that offer, you can generate as many videos as you want within the 7-day span, which is good enough for the World Cup. So I'm going to go on here and go to video. I'm going to click right here to upload the image I just generated. So this was the image we generated earlier. If I open that up, this is me with the number 7. And then I'm going to copy this simple video prompt that we had right here. And then instead of saying somebody, I would just do at, again, image, holding a selfie stick in the crowd, cheering, moving the camera around. 6 seconds. You could also change the resolution. And then I'm going to go ahead and just generate that and let's see what Grok does.
Vamos Portugal! A nossa seleção! Ganhamos esta! Força!
Okay, you see that? Not as great as the one from Seedance, but good enough for you to share as a fun video. And you can do that for free and using any other model also that is available out there. Finally, you might have come across a lot of these 2D anime style soccer animations that have been floating around through the World Cup. Let me show you how you can create one for yourself. We're going to stay in Grok Imagine for this because they do not censor player images when you upload them. So the first thing we want to do is just simply find the image of your player. So you can just go to Google Image and search. In my case, I search for Messi. Then I'm going to come back to Grok Imagine and go to Image, upload the image, and I'll just keep a simple prompt to just say stylize this in anime format. Click enter. It's going to generate that. So we have that in anime. We all know Cape Verde is playing Argentina next, and their goalkeeper has been performing well. So I'm going to do a quick anime of him being a wall and Messi trying to score him. So I'm going to get also the picture of the Cape Verde goalkeeper and convert him to an anime style. Next, we need a good prompt. You can always have ChatGPT help you with that. So I'm going to go to chatgpt.com. Write me an anime style video prompt of goalkeeper number 1 on the goalpost and player number 10 trying to score a free kick. We have very intense moment between the two, face locking, and then 10 kicks the ball meanders back and forth, and a brick wall appears on the goalpost, and the ball hits and bounces off. Right, so ChatGPT has generated my script. I'll copy this. So I'm going to head back to Grok Imagine. This time around, I'm going to go to video, and then just 6 seconds, and then you can select whatever aspect ratio it is. If you're trying to send this to social media, you do a 9:16. I can do a widescreen so you can see what it looks like here on YouTube. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add the 2 images. And then I'm going to paste my prompt from ChatGPT. So I'll paste that here. And then I'm going to go back up the very first time that the goalkeeper is mentioned. So goalkeeper number 1, I'm going to put at the image so that it kind of knows who that is. And then player number 10, I'm going to do at this. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit generate. And a few generations later, this is what we have. So that's how you can create the cool looking animations that you see out there online. Go ahead and create yours. Go ahead and create yours. Create something nice, I would like to see it. Tag me. Here are my social media handles. You can tag me on Instagram. You can tag me on X. And I'm going to be resharing those. If you enjoyed this video, the YouTube's AI algorithm thinks you might likely enjoy this next video. YouTube's AI algorithm says that you might likely enjoy this next video. Make sure you keep learning. So How about you just go ahead and click it and see what it's about? I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure